Let's kick things off with freezing, a fantastic way to preserve your veggies. And we're starting with beets, a favorite for their flavor and nutrition. First up, pick some fresh beets and give them a thorough wash. We want them clean and ready for the next step. Blanching is vital when freezing veggies. It helps keep the color, texture, and nutrients intact. Pop your beets into boiling water for a few minutes. Next, prepare an ice bath. This is just a bowl of ice water. It's essential for stopping the cooking process right after blanching. Immediately plunge your beets into the ice bath. This rapid cooling keeps them nice and firm. After a few minutes in the ice bath, take your beets out. They're now perfectly cooled and ready for the next step. Lay them on some paper towels and gently pat them dry. Removing moisture is crucial for freezing. Make sure to dry all sides of the beets to prevent ice buildup in the freezer, keeping your beets in the best condition. Now let's pack our beets for freezing. Place them one by one into a freezer bag so they freeze evenly. Squeeze out as much air as possible before sealing the bag. Keep your beets fresh and prevent freezer burn. Last but not least, label your bag with the date. It's all about staying organized and knowing when you froze your veggies. Freezing is excellent for nutrient retention and convenience. You can enjoy these beets any time of the year, and they're just as good as fresh. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of preserving vegetables. We hope you found these methods helpful and easy to try at home. And if you've got some cool tips or questions, please drop a comment below. Your insights and experiences are what make this community awesome. If you liked this video, show us some love with a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fantastic content. Your support keeps these videos coming. Stay tuned for more delightful and practical guides on sustainable living. See you next time.